What's going on, everybody? How are we doing tonight? This morning, this afternoon, depending on where you are. It is early morning for me. Like the name suggests, I stay up pretty late. Have insomnia a lot, so I get a lot of studying in, or I have fun doing that. Okay, it's fun. You may have noticed I moved a little bit, so now I'm facing the computer, but also facing you. Okay, because I thought that was important. I want you guys to get my undivided attention. So, what are we talking about tonight? Today, it's kind of like early morning, but it's not that. It's not that late. For me, when you're watching this, it's going to be noon. You're going to be like, Mr. Midnight, what are you talking about? So don't get confused. It's going to be noon. Uh, it's going to be noon on Tuesday. Yes, noon Tuesday when this video comes out. So that it will be the correct time. Okay. So something a little fun. So we're gonna do something a little fun here. We're calling it the Bitcoin comment challenge. Okay. And we're also gonna squeeze in a little bit of info. We're gonna put a couple more wrinkles into your brain. That's gonna be good for you. Okay. I'm gonna give you a little bit of. I'm gonna give you a little bit of some sugary candy with the Bitcoin challenge, and I'm gonna give you a little bit of. Some vegetables, some carrots, some nice carrots with the Fibonacci retracement and the extensions, okay, which are pretty cool. It's gonna blow your mind when you see this, okay? It's not blowing my mind. I've seen it, but okay. All right, we'll get to that in a minute. First thing I want to cover is the Bitcoin comment challenge. I know you thought I was going to start out with the vegetables first. No, let's get right to the sweet stuff, okay? Let's get to the sweet stuff, okay? I want to do that. So, first thing we're going to do is we are going to do this right here. I want to show you something that I thought was super cool. Let's switch back. I think I goofed. I'm sorry, guys. All right, let's try this again. Let's try this again. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Something goofed, guys. Here we go. All right. Hopefully you're in here with me on CoinMarketCap. Yes, you are. Okay, let's go back up to the top. Shlomo's on for some reason. Okay, I think we're good to go now. Okay. What I wanted to show you in here is I think CoinMarketCap listened to me. Okay? I think they listened to me. And you know what they got? Oh yeah, they got the dark mode. And that's so much nicer on the eyes. That's nice, right? You'll never see that other screen again. Man, I can see a whole lot better here, okay? But now let's get back to the fun stuff, okay? That was just a little side bonus, okay? Just a little side bonus. So what's fun about this challenge you have, Mr. Midnight? Okay, well, we're going to test some of your technical analysis abilities here, okay? Now, the way we're going to do this is today, Tuesday, it's going to start at noon, okay? And you have until midnight tonight to get your comment in, okay? And your comment can be one of the following, okay? According to this Fibonacci retracement that I laid out here, okay? We see the trend, okay? And then I have done some extensions. It's only supposed to be 3, but I went ham with it. Why not? Why not? A little extra, whatever. This one's off a little bit. I see it now. I'm on it. Boom. There we go. Okay. So, what the heck is going on here, Mr. Midnight? I'm going to show you, my friends. What you do is you start at the top of a recent swing, okay? And then you trace down to the lowest low, okay? And this is the Fibonacci Retracement, okay? And you'll get this big box. See the big white box? Okay. Now, why do you want to know this, and what does this have to do with this challenge? Well, they're both tied together, okay? I tricked you. Okay, I tricked you. Okay, the challenge is the technical analysis, okay? So we're all going to do a little technical analysis, okay? So today is Tuesday, like I said, the 15th. And it's going to end on the 18th, on Friday, okay, at noon Friday, and I'll announce the winner on Friday night, and the winner's going to, you know what they're going to win? They're going to get shouted out on my Friday show. So whoever leaves the comment with the, with the correct answers, I'm going to shout out all those people. There's probably going to be a bunch of people that won, okay? So there's not any money, there's no Bitcoin or nothing. I'm not a whale here. Come on now. Just starting out. Starting out on YouTube now, okay? It's gonna be mad props and respects in the comment. That's gonna be your victory, your sweet victory, okay? Now you have 5 choices, all right? 5 choices. Now, if you didn't know, let me start here at the beginning a little bit. The Fibonacci sequence is a mathematical principle. It's something that's found in nature quite a bit. Okay, if you ever looked at a sunflower real close, all the seeds are laid out in like a Fibonacci sequence. You may have heard of things called fractals. Okay, same kind of principle here. Okay, think of a big seashell-shaped spiral over the graph that you're seeing on the screen, okay? And why do you want to know about this Fibonacci retracement? Well, it can help you, help show you where resistance and support is, okay? And those are valuable tools if you want to do, say, limit buys and some limit sells. If you don't know how to do that, go back and watch my videos called Doge, Kyber Network, and I put all the vegetables at the end, and limit buy sells, all that good stuff. Okay, it was a good video. Go give that one a look. So in this challenge, what you want to do is down in the comments, you want to do your own technical analysis. I've done quite a bit of it here for you, okay? And it wasn't a lot, but you can see I put at least some effort into this, okay? Doing it for you, and I gave you 5 options, okay? Option number 1 is we are going to Valhalla, complete correction. We're going all the way back, baby. Okay, now remember, that's by Friday where these arrows are, okay? That's Friday. I forgot the arrows apparently, but you get the gist, okay? Option 2 is we make a really healthy comeback, okay? Really healthy comeback, okay? And that would be 51,000, okay? Up here is 64.9, all right? That would be previous high. Option number 3 is 47,628. Okay. And that would be modest, okay? That would follow some of these, the retracement pattern. It would good. Okay. We don't know. I'm not influencing anything, okay? Option number 4 is 43,398. And then option number 5 that we really don't want to see at all, okay, would be $30,076, okay? So there's your 5 options, okay? I really don't want to see that. I'd be happy. All up in here. All up in there. All around in here. And, we'll see. So we're going to put all your big brains to work on here. Let's see who's good. Okay? We're going to see who's good. All right? And I'm going to make my prediction now, so there's no messing about. No, I'm not going to be changing my mind or anything. And I'm going to be like real middle of the road. And I'm going number 3, okay? That's me. I'm number 3. All right. So that's where I'm gonna be. So this something a little fun. I really want to get my audience involved into realizing that this can be fun. Okay. You draw some squares, some rectangles. Whatever on here. It's not really like that, but you learn to do a little TA, a little technical analysis. Especially, helps you out quite a bit. These Fibonacci sequences. Another thing to remember is that the longer the time frame, the more accurate they are. Okay, now that's why we went with the 1 day. Okay, that's pretty good. Now, if you want to do some short-term stuff, I wouldn't recommend going like 1 minute or 5 minutes or even 15 minutes. I would recommend going like 30 to 60 on your short term. And the short term, I mean like day to day. Okay, day to day. So just keep that in mind. That is something to ponder on. And then obviously the shorter the time period, the less accurate it's going to be. Okay, the less accurate it's going to be. So I don't want to say, I'm not gonna say how outlandish anything is. Any one of these are the choices. 5 choices. There's not 6 choices. There's not 0 choices. You got to make one. Okay, 1 of 5. We're putting it out there. There's no money riding on this. There's no pressure. The only thing that you can hope to achieve is internet boasting rights, that you had superior technical analysis against your peers, and not your rivals, just your peers. We're all friends here. We're all out there looking out for each other, trying to get everybody to make some profits. So hope this, scratched at your brain in a good way, Okay, and we're going to see you. Now the way we're going to finish up here, I will come back to this in just a moment, okay? Just a moment. Let's come back and, there we go. That's exactly what I wanted to see. Let's come back here for a second and, what was I saying? Sorry, I lost my train of thought for a minute. I'm clicking over here. The way we're going to end this, all right, the way that we're going to end this is on Friday at noon. I am going to check the price of Bitcoin, okay? And the price that we're going with today, I've already wrote it down, so it's codified as law as far as I'm concerned. Midnight Crypto said so. Or something like that. Wrestling moves. I don't know. I can't wrestle anymore. I'm too old for that kind of nonsense. But anyways, all right. So Friday at noon, all right. And the price that we're starting at here is 40,500. Okay, 40,500 US dollars. Okay, we're not converting it to anything so you can be closer or anything like that. US dollars, okay? Not that they're any better, but that's just what I use, okay? Get out of there. Okay. So, if you have any questions, leave a comment, and I'll get back to it. But really, it's easy as one through 5, okay? Interesting nugget to think on is that Michael Saylor, who is another billionaire philanthropist, crypto He's not really. He's a big investor in crypto. Well, I should say he's a big investor in Bitcoin. Okay, and he's dropping some money. He's dropping some big money. He's putting his money where his mouth is. Hey, man, I respect the guy for that. He says borrow against whatever and buy Bitcoin, and trust that the growth will be there because if you follow the 4-year cycle on Bitcoin, the end of the year could be. I'm not a financial advisor, but you're hearing something. I didn't need two hands to do that, but you're hearing something funny. Funny, when the host starts laughing and like, I'm not a financial advisor now, and I'm not. Okay, I'm a YouTuber, and you know what? You shouldn't trust. You shouldn't trust YouTubers. I know that sounds, counterintuitive from me, on my part, but I'm not really asking you to trust me. Okay, I want you to go out and and learn for yourself. So you don't have to trust me. Trust yourself. Okay, when you make your trades in crypto or stocks or whatever, and what you're doing, it's a whole lot different than. Say when you're green and you're first starting out and you haven't really traded that much, it's like, how do I do this? How do I do this? And let me go back to the previous screen here. Why? Because we can, you guys can look again and get your price points. All right. So we're gonna leave it here for a minute. You don't have to look at my face for this. You don't have to look at my face. All right. So Friday. We're gonna have the big shebang happening. Okay, Friday. It's gonna be. Hey, I'm excited because you know what? I'm in this too. Number 3. I picked number 3. I think 47,000 sounds pretty good to me. Okay, now remember, what is the likelihood of any of these things to happen? What is the likelihood that any of these things could happen? Well, pretty likely on some of them. Less likely on others, okay? You may see that there's also this trend line here, okay? It could just ding, 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 or it could drop. And we don't know, but these are the choices I gave you, so that's all that really matters. Okay, so we just, Elon makes his tweets. I'm not dogging on you, Elon. If you watch, I'm not dogging on you. All I'm saying is, he makes his tweets. Well, I'm putting out my comment challenge. And next time I'll do it on a Monday, so it's a little bit longer. I'll give you a little more heads up. But hey, you know what? I've only been around a couple weeks. Give me a break, okay? I love you guys, all right? Give me a break. But, all right. Back to it. What is something that you guys have trouble with? Do you have trouble with like reading the candlestick charts? Do you have what is it that you guys want to learn about? Because I'm willing to deep dive into things. I'm willing to, while you go to your 9 to 5 job, or you're working your midnight shift, or you're at McWages or wherever, you're working, okay? You're making some money. You're making that money. I can do some TA for you, okay? I can do that for you. I'm all right with that. I'm all right with that because that's what I'm here for, okay? So if you're new to the channel, one thing you can do to help me out, besides commenting, is to give me a like and a subscribe. And oh man, that sounded so. Oh, like please, I need a like so bad. It's not like that, but it's a little bit like that. Okay, guys. So I think we get the gist. I'm not going to explain it anymore. It's basically up to you at this point, okay? I just wanted to kind of show you that this tool is here. All right, I'm on Binance US. This is on a computer, okay? Because on the app, you can't draw anything on the app, okay? The app is limited. If you're only using the app, you don't have a computer, I get it. You're only using the app on your phone, I understand. You can do fine. You know what? You can come on, you can look on, like an actual browser, on your phone. It's weak because it's not streamlined and whatever, but you could do it. But it would be weak. Let's face it. Okay. What do you guys think? What do you think of the Michael Saylor? And let's just look it up. Why? Let's look up Michael Saylor, Bitcoin. Yes, he is the CEO of MicroStrategy. Here we go. Let's look right here. He already owns 100,000 Bitcoin now. Ooh-wee. He's a smart guy. Smart guy, no doubt. All right. Now he's saying he's like a Bitcoin Maximus. Bitcoin Maximus. That's a little Latin for you, okay? He's big on the Bitcoin, all right? He's like I'm not even going to repeat it because, I'm not a billionaire, but, he has his own strategy. I like it. I think it's gutsy. And you know what? He's putting his money where his mouth is right now. I think he's buying in somewhere north of like 500 million. And I may have heard that it could go up to even a billion. A billion, okay? This guy's dropping like hundy billions, okay? So much respect, and that is something else that I wanted to kind of bring in is like looking at this is that he's buying that 500 million. Nobody knows when, but soon, okay? Especially if the market is on the verge of a reversal. I'm not saying it is. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. But if it is, homeboy's not going to wait too long before he, drops that coin, and gets on in there. And if he's especially, matter of fact, I heard him in an interview earlier. He said that some sort of legalese action was going on, and they had to end up putting it in some sort of other. I shouldn't even go on about it. I have to rewatch it. It's late, but he's dropping 500 billion. Okay, maybe it's million. I might be wrong. 500 million. Oh no, dude's rich as crap. He's super rich, okay? Super rich. Alright, that's whatever. Let's go back to this. Alright, now I love me some BitConnect. I'm just kidding. If you know about the BitConnect thing, then you got that. But no, I'm actually talking about Bitcoin here, okay? Not BitConnect. Alright. I'm going to wrap it up here because, I feel like I'm rambling. I think everybody gets the picture here. I'm just leaving it up just for another second just so everybody can see. Everybody can see what's going on, all right? Sorry, folks, I had to wet my whistle. All right, well, like I said, this is coming out at 12 noon. You have till the end of the day with your comments. If nobody comments, I'm gonna claim the prize. Okay? Don't let me claim the prize. Make a comment down below. All right. All right, last call on this, okay? And I made the numbers. These are the numbers. Okay? Oh, what happened here? Actually, the numbers have changed or something. Did I move them? Sheboygan. You know, they were the numbers. That's... I may have nudged this, but these are the numbers, okay? Let's just be clear. These are the numbers. All right? This is the current price right now, but the number we're going by, the price we're going by is 40,500, okay? 40,500. That is the starting price. You have until Friday at noon to come back and check and see if you were right. But you only have until midnight tonight to get your comment in. Okay, now I'm beating a dead horse. We've done it to death. Okay, we've done it to death, and we're gonna sign off there. Okay, so this should be coming out, like I said, noon today. I really appreciate you guys coming. I've rambled on long enough. It's gonna be hot today again. It's, I guess, summertime and whatnot, but hopefully you guys can go out for a nice bicycle ride. Or maybe, throw some frisbee around with some people, whatever it is, kick back with a nice glass of, apple juice in a rocks glass, about filled up about that much. Keep them coming, And like, that apple juice that you pull straight out of the freezer, and it's got like that, it's like almost like not gelled up, but it's like thick and syrupy, like, oof, that's good, Maybe I'll have some in my next video. Maybe I'll have a little apple juice. We'll see how it goes, okay? So if this is your first time coming, yeah, I kind of am a little, more loosey-goosey than the other channels, but you know what? I'm just going to do me. And they can do them, and, I talk a little bit slower, but I like to think a little bit longer about what I have to say. I don't have a script here. I have a notepad here, but it has other stuff on it. It's not a script. I didn't write all this down. Nobody sent me a script. I'm not paid by anybody. But I'm not saying that I won't be paid by somebody, because you know what? If somebody that I think is a good project approached me, or something that I was already into, then yeah, probably, I'd probably be down with that. And I don't know how much influence that would garner them, other than me, like, saying, yeah, they're good, and I trust them, I guess. But I'm not going to do that with just anything, not things that I don't believe in, because, like, I don't think that's right. I don't think people should do that to people, okay? I'm just a Midwest boy, okay? I'm not trying to do no harm, like I'm like a fisherman. When I go out and fish, I don't leave my trash. I leave it better than I found it usually, because I get a lot of my lures fishing. People just leave stuff everywhere. I'll pick it up. I don't care. I usually have a little bag with me. I throw stuff away in, and of course I can't sit there and comb the whole thing, but I'll do a little bit. Okay. But all right, we're getting off on a tangent here. I'm gonna see you later. I'll do a video tonight. It'll be out. I don't know, sometime in the evening. Okay. If you're from the Midwest, leave that down below when you make your pick. Okay. And I will see you guys in the next one. I really appreciate you coming. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. And if you really didn't like what you see, then go ahead and hit that dislike button. That's not going to break my heart. That's okay. All right. I need the criticism. If you do leave a dislike, tell me why. Just don't be like, oh, I didn't like it, and just roll out. That's kind of it's not like I'm gonna know who left that dislike. I'm just saying, like, constructive criticism is fine. Toxic stuff will be booted, all right, because I have my first moderator, and he's not going to take no stuff from nobody, all right? So if you're watching this right now and you're being silly, boom, he's going to get you, all right? So watch out for him. He's on duty, all right? All right. Have a good one, guys. Tomorrow's Wednesday. We're almost there. Hump day. We're almost there, okay? And I'll catch you guys later.